Like to say something about the Himalayan rock structure, where from the Brahmaputra river across its water.
See, Himalaya is a very young mountain. So, actually, this mountain could not complete its evolution. Its upheaval continues. One can verify that the Himalaya is uplifting just by observing the Dihang Gorge, which is one of the world's deepest gorge created on the Dihang River. Then, interestingly, the Himalayan rocks are very loosely cemented. They are commonly known as conglomerates, which can easily be eroded by the streams, and that is the reason why the Brahmaputra river carries maximum amount of sediments, in comparison to other rivers.